Welcome to our presentation of 4 Thanksgiving safety tips. My name is Mitch Matlow. I'm a career firefighter paramedic with almost 40 years of experience in emergency services. Joining me to create this presentation is Lucy Armentrout. Lucy is a real estate broker who handles residential sales and purchases for clients throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. Her primary focus is on communities in the greater Oakland and San Jose areas. Please reach out to her if you have any questions about this presentation or the real estate market. We'll be talking tonight about cooking fires, turkey fryers, smoke alarms and extinguishers, and how to address choking. And remember, when in doubt, call 911. Cooking fires are easy to avoid in your oven. If you watch the food in the oven and you know how to turn your oven off even when the controls don't work. If it's a gas oven, turning off the gas to the house. If it's an electric oven, turning off that circuit or turning off all of the electricity to the house will shut down your oven and remove the heat. When it happened in my house 6 years ago, my daughter was continuously watching the food in the oven. She knew that there was a problem when the oven failed, called me and said, "What's wrong with the oven?" Ultimately, we did end up having an oven fire, but it was contained to the box, and we were ultimately able to have Thanksgiving dinner in our home. Stovetop fires are far more likely to occur than oven fires. It's usually higher temperatures in localized areas, and the food is exposed to the environment and not contained in a non-combustible box. Don't ever walk away from your food on the stove. Don't leave it unattended. Know where your fire extinguisher is. And if you have a stovetop fire, call 911, get out of the house and stay out. Turkey fryers are one of the most common sources of Thanksgiving fires. They're easy to prevent if you follow a few basic rules, but let's see what a turkey fryer fire looks like. So what are those rules? The fryer belongs outside, not inside your house. It should be at least 10 feet away from any combustible construction and on a non-combustible surface, like concrete, rock, or bare dirt. The propane tank should be 2 feet away from the fryer, and whenever possible, it should be upwind so flames don't get blown towards the tank. You need to fully defrost your turkey at least 3 days and dry the turkey at least 1 hour for every 10 pounds of turkey. Make sure you wipe off the outside. Excess moisture will be a problem. When you put the turkey into the fryer, make sure you're wearing gloves that are high heat rated and lower the turkey slowly into the oil that you've already measured. Basically, what you want to do is use water first to figure out how much your turkey will displace. Mark that, and then put the oil in just to the line where the water was. Keep your oil temperature between 325 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures beyond that increase the fire hazard dramatically. And keep somebody watching the fryer at all times, from the minute you turn on the flame until the oil is cool enough to put back in the plastic container. Somebody needs to watch it for fire danger and to prevent injuries. Smokers are a safer alternative to fryers. And trust me, when the turkey comes out looking like that, it's going to taste great. The noise made by a smoke alarm can be kind of annoying, but it's necessary. Make sure you test your alarms often to make sure they're working. If you still have smoke alarms in your home that have replaceable batteries, make sure that the batteries are fresh. And when it's time to replace those batteries, consider replacing the entire alarm. For the last 7 years, the law has said that no new alarms can be sold in this state that have replaceable batteries. They're now non-replaceable lithium-ion batteries that last for 10 years. If you still have alarms that use a replaceable battery, they're at least 7 years old. They're probably ready to be replaced. When selecting a fire extinguisher for your Thanksgiving cooking, make sure you select an appropriate one. An ABC dry chemical extinguisher like the one on the left here is good for a variety of fires, including grease and oil, but it's not as effective on the grease and oil fires as the wet chemical Class K extinguisher on the right. If you're going to be using a fryer to cook your turkey, consider investing in a wet chemical extinguisher as well. Choking is a serious danger, especially around the holidays, when eating and drinking and large numbers of people coming together in your home could increase the risk that either you or someone else in your home may be choking. If you already know how to do the Heimlich maneuver, review the technique. If you don't know how to do the Heimlich maneuver, there are classes available, and Lucy can provide you with lists of providers who will be able to train you. You can even learn how to do the Heimlich maneuver on yourself if you're the person who's choking. If you don't know how to do the Heimlich maneuver or someone is choking in your home, call 911. The dispatchers will talk you through how to do the Heimlich maneuver while help is on the way. Thank you for paying attention to our presentation this Thanksgiving season. We hope this information is valuable and we hope you have a happy holiday.